Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to share with you what comes in our Toy Story page kit. So here's just a quick look at what the finished sample looks like, or the finished pages look like. Now the white does not come in the kit. That just represents the photo. Okay, you're going to receive full color step-by-step instructions as well as larger images printed to help in paper piecing. I also have some paper piecing videos of these characters here on my YouTube channel to check out if you need extra assistance while putting your kit together. I should mention before I go on, if you don't have one of these kits yet and would like to pick one up, there is a link just below this video where it'll take you to my shop where you can pick up one of these kits and check out all my other fun projects that I have to offer. Okay, so each character is going to have their own baggie just to help in paper piecing, keeps everything organized. All the little pieces are in their own baggie. Now the larger pieces are going to be separate just because they're the larger ones. They're easy to tell where they go with. And then you have the photo mats. Now the photo mats are already cut down for you, and all you have to do is measure the photo mat and trim your photo to 1/4 of an inch smaller than the photo mat, and you have a perfect border. You have all the decorative pattern paper in the background. These are already cut for you as well. You just have to glue them on. I do have an assembly video on my YouTube channel as well, taking you step by step, start to finish, putting the whole layout together if you'd like to check that out. You also receive the two 12x12 base pages in here as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I post updates of upcoming projects. Thanks so much again and have a great day.